Unfortunately, the set screws are made of magnetic material, but also they can roll some considerable distance, it would seem. I also discovered there are two of them. Now, that's annoying. The case of the vanishing set screw. Now, it didn't end up on here, did it? No. Now, I'll clear stuff out of the way. Because I heard it hit the carpet. Didn't see it though. Now, let's put this one back before I lose it as well. Now, hard drive magnets can get irritating at times. Now, I'll put this one back. There should be another, which is what I've dropped. So. One goes in there. That's better. Now I've just got to find the other set screw. Oh wonder, oh joy, oh marvel. Right, where's that magnet gone? There, good. It doesn't want to come off. It really doesn't want to come on! That's it. Now, I imagine that these are the screws that hold the stepper motor in place. Not M2, M2.5, yep. Now, get this cack out of the way for the moment. Now, tiny stepper motor down, tiny stepper motor down, tiny stepper motor down, one. Yeah, no, I can't do a Rolf impression. Nah. Now, there were some fairly carpy looking Allen keys, but they might be more convenient for this. I won't catch on stuff. Now, this looks about M2.5. Tighten them down until you've got them all in. Learned that lesson the hard way too many times now. Then I can start playing hunt the set screw again. Not my favourite pastime. I can guarantee the Hoover would find it first shot, then I'd never see it again. Though I do have to Hoover in here. Right, it's in. That's in. So thus far, apart from losing a set screw, I've just had to run a tap through one thing, so it could be a lot worse, I suppose. Now, after that short intermission, we can go back to playing Hunt the Bloody Set Screw, my favourite pastime. Not. No, those Allen keys go, they can go there for just now. Now, well, okay, where have I put the magnet this time? Ah! Now, it would have fallen off here. So now we go back on the floor. This is